It is the new year, which means many of you are focused on a new you. And our next guest is Richett, and she's here to share some of her favorite products to help you have a happy and healthy 2020. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Well, Happy New Year. Yeah, you know, everything from the products that we use on our body to what we're eating, there's so many small changes we can make in 2020 to have a healthier year. So let's start with Girlpalooza.
Okay.
This is a fairly new brand launched by a mom when her daughter always wanted to use her lip gloss and she realized her mainstream cosmetics had bad ingredients in it. So she created the first cruelty-free, clean, non-toxic line that was made for girls and tweens.
Very cool.
So Girlpalooza they have glosses, the body wash, shampoo, these body butters if you want to try this.
Ooh.
And what I love, this is called Cherry Bomb Boss, and there's Pineapple President and really empowering names.
Yeah.
So Girlpalooza, you can get their glosses, 3 for $15 right now. It's a great change that you can make in your everyday body care products. So this is called the Bissell Germ-Free Kit. So
Germ-free?
Yes,
okay.
It goes right in your bag for work. If you're doing some travel, it's a 12-piece kit. It has everything you need. The hand sanitizers, a screen cleaner, a toilet seat cover, a tray cover if you're traveling. You never know when. You might just need a little teepee in your bag.
Yes.
Yeah, and Bissell Germ-Free Kit was created by Bissell. They're a family business, 140 years strong, and they're a leader in pet and home care cleaning products. So they infused all of that into this handy little kit that you can take with you on the go.
And in the new year, keto is still huge.
It really is. You know what it is? It's just kicking the sugar and still being able to indulge. So Better Keto makes the hands down best, most delicious cookie that has no carbs or sugar. They make craft low carb cookies with premium almond flour.
Try it.
You got to try it. If you ever had a cookie like this before, there's usually a really bad aftertaste. And as you try this one, you're going to realize it does not leave your mouth with that aftertaste at all. They have 6 different flavors right now. They're already rolling out 3 new ones. And you can get them over at Amazon or at betterketo.com, better with a 3 in it. But if you just read the ingredients, I mean, look, coconut oil, cage-free eggs, butter, cream, peanut butter. So it's really natural ingredients and very clean.
Right here, a local restaurant.
Yeah, HopCat, a local favorite here in St. Louis. If you're going to go out for a night out, you can still have a great time and stay on track. So HopCat has a lot of great lighter options. These are the roasted cauliflower tacos. Ooh. You don't even have to be vegetarian to love them, but if you are, it's a great option. Those look delicious. I had to get them from the security guard outside, was trying to eat some of them.
I don't blame them.
This is the Crunchy Buddha Bowl, and it has packed with proteins and ancient grains like quinoa and all kinds of delicious vegetables there, and it has a nice little cilantro drizzle on it. But HopCat has plenty of options for you, and of course they're known for their 75 beer beer taps when you go in.
Try a new beer in the new year too.
You could, and they also do have some lighter drink options as well.
Emily, thank you very much, and happy 2020 to you.